Introducing the Sting Doorbell, featuring a demonstration of my engineering skills. The Sting Doorbell uses the library shown here in the video. The Show Graph function allows the programmer to select an area of interest for monitoring that can then be masked over the original for seamless image detection. The Sting Doorbell prompts the user to provide their contact information for notifications and alerts. Exception handling allows the user to stop the program should they press the keyboard interrupt buttons. In this case, it's Control-C. The doorbell then takes two images 1 second apart for comparison. If the two images are sufficiently different, the doorbell will then record a 15-second video to be uploaded to Dropbox for the user's access. Additionally, the user receives an email and text notification with the contact information they provided earlier. Now let's watch the code.